We're in the thick of it this week. Whee! What has Drufus got over here? Wow! Found someone's camp. That's long since been abandoned, I'd say. Well, if you were in a bind, you could use it, couldn't you? Get on there. You've lugged a lot of stuff up here, mind? Yeah, I think so. We're in the thick of it this week. Whee! Proper in the thick of it. We're going to the centre of these woods, and it looks like it's a tidy valley. Let's hope there's a camping spot.
It makes you think then why they go on.
Right, this is going to be the best campsite you've ever seen in your life.
Better be good, mate.
Drew, have my head, alright?
Yep.
Even though this was Glenn's idea. I don't know what that is. Let's go check it out, sir. So we're at this abandoned shelter someone's made. So there's our cooking platform. I come up here and I spotted this, and when Drew first saw it, he said this is the best spot he's ever seen in his life. Got some epic views down the valley. It's a little bit damp underfoot, but I think we'll be alright. I've decided to go with the Aktos today. Seeing as this new one that, you know. Drufus is going with a tent you bring? The Aktos. And what's Glenn brought? Oh, it's the Aktos.
Right.
They're all the same colour as well. We should have had one of each colour, shouldn't we? That would have been better.
I don't mind the
Aktos Invitational Camp.
The sand colour one, that's right.
So I didn't really want to fork out on the Hilleberg ground sheet. It was 80 quid. So I found this. Van Gogh Nevis 100. And it fits. I mean, it doesn't fill the porch. I don't really want it in the porch anyway. I just want to vestibules, eh? I just want to protect the inner, really. And this is going to get wrecked. And I thought paying 80 quid for something that's going to get wrecked was a point.
You know what I mean? Can't pick it up.
We're coming away from the tents. We've taken down some of that old unfinished shelter, and now it's going to be firewood. We've come the other side of the river. Let's get some grub going as well, is there?
You say you don't need a man, but I don't care. You're in the presence of a player.
If it had a big sizzle then, it would have been ideal.
It didn't warm it up for long enough.
It needed a sizzle. Like.
Bit of an anticlimax, you know, but...
So we've got stuffed mushies for beginners, for starters even.
Player? She belongs to the streets!
What's for the main course at?
Steak and some tomatoes.
Nice.
They take a while to cook, I do, so...
What a lovely pair you've got.
Well, thank you very much.
Druf making a baton. I'll just use a knife to cut downwards, then, is it?
Batten off your hands, then.
I got a question. You know that the ancient thing, what came first, the chicken or the egg?
Yeah.
What came first, the batten or the batten to get down the batten to make the batten?
We mean the humour. Look how confused me now, man, when I'm trying to make a batten. Was that your version of a batten?
I was just trying to cut some kindling off. But... Quick and easy battens, 101.
The 75th.
75th best world camper.
I'll do.
There you go.
Bam, son.
Batten, son. I've arranged this, what's it called?
Stew.
Kindling.
Stew.
I've arranged this kindling
Stew.
so carefully, it will only require one strike to get this fire lit. That's all it needs. I've got great faith, because I've arranged that wood. Exactly.
Gee, somebody, you're going to run out the ferro rod. Oh, God, what? He's got it. Yeah!
Scaramouche. Can you do the
See,
fandango?
where's that fire steel?
Yeah.
Small one it is.
The thing they do with it, they drag it the other way, don't they?
Keep the knife still.
Like you pull against it type of thing.
Yeah. Ah, right, yeah.
Ah, sort of way, right. Yeah, going on.
Small it is a problem.
What has Drufus got over here? Wow. This is definitely making me hungry. Oh, it does look it does look pretty good.
There's
mate.
garlic mushrooms from get on it. They're £2 for two.
Yeah.
And they're spot on. That's all I can say.
Recommended.
Recommended. For the 75th. Good this is, boys. Sticky boiling the bags.
Extreme close up.
For this was a big. Come on, everyone, sing up.
Spot the tents. Looks like fox eyes. I think I put a bit too much powder in actually. Looks a bit powdery, doesn't it?
Looks a bit dry.
Pasta and sauce, pancetta, with buttery mash. Bit dry though. I've just come to the river for another beer. Come back to the tent and I've just been invaded by flies. They're everywhere. I just can't get rid of them. Big chunky ones. Like. Today's brekkie forage with tropical fruit. We've got about a 2-hour walk to do, so got to fill the belly first. There we go, leaving it a bit muddy. We took our old structure down, it was falling down, left the table. Another one coming to an end. Don't think I filmed much last night because sometimes you're just enjoying yourself, can't be bothered. Like, just can't be bothered. I only drunk 5 cans. Carrying one back with me. That's rare for me. I had the sack pretty early, I think. Tired out. Right, shout out to these legends. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.